Welcome back to AI Techtiles. Today, we're diving into an essential concept in statistics: measures of central tendency. These measures help us understand the center or typical value in a dataset. We'll explore the three main measures: mean, median, and mode, and discuss the different types of means. Here's what we'll cover in today's video: an overview of measures of central tendency, the arithmetic mean, the geometric mean, the harmonic mean, the median, the mode, a comparison of these measures and their uses, finally, a conclusion to wrap things up. Now, let's explore the different types of means: the arithmetic mean, the geometric mean, and the harmonic mean. First, let's talk about the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean, often simply called the mean, is the average of a set of numbers. You calculate it by adding up all the values in your dataset and then dividing by the number of values. For example, let's find the mean of the numbers 5, 8, 12, 20, and 25. Adding these numbers together gives us 70. Dividing 70 by 5, we get a mean of 14. Next is geometric mean. The geometric mean is the nth root of the product of n numbers. It's especially useful for datasets with values of different ranges. Let's find the geometric mean of 2, 8, and 32. Multiplying these numbers gives us 512. Taking the cube root of 512, we get a geometric mean of 8. Lastly, let's talk about the harmonic mean. The harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the data. It's useful in situations where the average of rates is desired. Let's find the harmonic mean of 1, 2, and 4. Summing the reciprocals gives us 1.75. Dividing 3 by 1.75, we get a harmonic mean of approximately 1.71. Next, we have the median. The median is the middle value when your data is arranged in order. If there's an odd number of values, the median is simply the middle one. If there's an even number, you take the average of the two middle numbers. For our dataset 5, 8, 12, 20, and 25, arranging the numbers in ascending order gives us 5, 8, 12, 20, and 25. Since there are 5 numbers, the median is the third number, which is 12. Lastly, we have the mode. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in your dataset. It's possible to have more than one mode if multiple values appear with the same frequency. Let's find the mode in the dataset 5, 8, 12, 12, 20, and 25. In this dataset, the number 12 appears twice, more frequently than any other number. Hence, the mode is 12. Now that we understand the mean, median, and mode, let's compare them. The mean is sensitive to extreme values, or outliers, which can skew the average. The median is not affected by outliers and gives a better center for skewed distributions. The mode is particularly useful for categorical data, helping identify the most common category or value. Each measure has its own use cases, so it's important to choose the right one based on your data. To recap, we've explored the mean, median, and mode, the three main measures of central tendency. Each of these measures provides a different perspective on your data, and understanding when to use each one is crucial for effective data analysis. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to AI Techtiles, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.